Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Hope everyone is doing great. Welcome to our channel Metaverse News Hub. Hope you all gain daily essentials and balance essential news coverage. Jet burst into flames after collision with relief plane in Tokyo. 5 dead up in flames. 5 people aboard a Japan Coast Guard aircraft died on Tuesday when it hit a Japan Airlines passenger plane on the ground in a fiery collision at Tokyo's Haneda Airport. All 379 passengers and crew on board the passenger plane, which burst into flames, were safely evacuated. Japanese Transport Minister Tetsuo Saito told reporters. Here are some visuals. Monster quake in Japan leaves 48 dead. Rescuers scramble in search of survivors. The 7.5 magnitude quake that rattled Ishikawa Prefecture on the main island of Honshu triggered tsunami waves more than a meter high, which caused a major fire and tore apart roads. At least 48 people killed and caused widespread destruction. Here are some visuals. Thousands evacuated following volcano eruption in Indonesia. More than 2,000 residents have been evacuated to temporary shelters amid heightened volcanic activities in a volcano in eastern Indonesia, a local official said on Tuesday. Mount Lewottobi Laki-Laki on Monday spewed volcanic ash 1.5 kilometers above its peak, according to the Center for Volcanology and Geological Hazard Mitigation. Here are some visuals. Free movement regime at Myanmar border to end soon. Entry into India will need visa. The union government is all set to scrap the free movement regime, FMR, along the Myanmar border, a senior government official said on Tuesday. People living in border areas who could cross over to India will soon require visas, the official added. Trucker strike sets off panic buying of fuel in several states. Drivers are protesting against longer jail terms in hit-and-run cases under new law. Stir turns violent in Rajasthan. 3 security personnel injured. Long queues seen at fuel stations in northern, western, and central states. Outlets run dry at many places. Here are some visuals. India turns to Saudi as Russia oil buys fall. India increased Saudi oil imports in December as payment problems drove its Russian oil buys to an 11-month low, with about 5 cargoes of the Sweet Sokol variant heading to other locations, data from vessel tracking agencies showed. Thank you for being a part of the Metaverse News Hub community. Stay tuned for more compelling stories, thought-provoking discussions, and comprehensive coverage.